Another very useful marking out tool is the sliding bevel. This enables the user to measure an angle, record it, and transfer it to another piece of work, say. I've been making, this is a tapered leg from a table I've been prototyping. The sliding bevel is particularly useful here because I can mark this angle, the top of the leg there, record it by locking the wing nut there and transfer it to any other place. Joinery, this type of thing, this is particularly useful, this tool is, and you might think at the moment you're just starting out, say, well, I don't think I'm ever going to use one of those. Well, you probably will, so I'd recommend you get one, or at least consider it very strongly. And while I'm talking about it, again, like most tools, there's all different varieties. The newer ones, sensibly, have got some sort of device that you lock just by the use of your hands only. You can use sort of with a one-handed operation. A lot of the older ones, they require a screwdriver to loosen and to lock them, which I find a little awkward because there are times when you've only got one hand essentially, and having to employ a second tool to adjust the first, I don't know, it just doesn't sit well with me, I'm afraid. No matter, sliding bevel then, very useful. I'd recommend you add one to your kit list.